I've been working for 3 days on this, and I cleaned up the Roadmaster balloon bike tank, which is pretty perfect if you looked at it. It was off a barn find bike, so it was pretty clean. But once you start refining it and sanding it and wetting it down, you really notice the dimples and that kind of stuff. So I fixed all the dimples that I found and some of the factory mistakes, because their presses would leave creases sometimes on some parts of these, and so I got rid of those as well. There was a couple of them. The silicone is just hardening right now, and I didn't have any real major leaks. That's about $80 worth of silicone right there. And I patched up a hole there, and then I patched up a hole in the back. But these center pieces, these tanks, are hollow and sealed with plasticine, so I know where to drill the holes for them and stuff. And basically there's holes underneath here where I could see if there was silicone leaking out, and I have just a little bit over there that's leaked out. I'm not sure where it came from, so that is the only point, and it's not continuing, and it's hardening now. So whatever did leak out under this area here, where there's a bar that goes in between the two tanks, and it's attached to this tank. So I had to mount it below, going through a hole, and that's where we can see a few drips, and there's a bit of spill on the bottom there. But hopefully it's hardened enough now that it's not leaking through there anymore, because as you can see, it's quite thick now. So anyways, I thought it'd be an update. I'll let you know what the fiberglass looks like. I do have some gel coat, so that's what we'll try first, and then I'll make a couple of carbon fiber tin tanks for the bikes. See ya.